Welcome, guys. Today we are going to talk about the free fee tugboats, that is your fire brigade at sea. So let's see this. What is this fire brigade at sea and how it works? So we have all. So in these types of ship, you can see this red mark here. This is somewhere you have the main engine here, and there is a fire pump which is just next to this main engine, and these two are coupled together. So when the main engine moves, the fire pump also moves and it takes suction, and the seawater from this is lifted from the pump, and then it goes to these pipelines, and from the pipeline it comes out. So this is our FIFI firefighting system, or the fire brigade at sea, basically how it's working. So let's see in diagrammatic video and detail how it works. So these are some various other pictures you can see for these types of vessels. These are the foam monitors, which are remotely controlled also in case of fire from inside the bridge, and you can control them manually also, their direction and rotation height. And this is how these ships are fighting fire. It's a very high capacity firefighting fire brigade ship, that if there is a fire on any of your ship, tanker or any ship, these ships come to fight fire like fire brigades. So here we are seeing and sure this how this fire system is working. So you can see here, this is our main engine for running the ship, and then we have this fire pump which is connected to the main engine by coupling, and then once that it takes suction and it gives water in this firefighting line, and then it goes to the foam monitor. So you can see closely, this yellow part is our engine, and then this red part is our fire pump which is connected, and the silver line is going up for supply to the foam monitor. So this is the coupling for which the fire pump is connected. So we have a pressure gauge also for checking the pressure of this fire line, like all fire lines. Then we need to prime the fuel for the main engine when we start the main engine. And also we will see the cooling of the main engine also goes through this pump only. So these are the control panel. Pause karo. So you have all the controls for coupling starting the main engine and coupling it with fire pump, and then what you call opening all the walls, line up, and then starting this FIFI system. Hmm. So this is the panel. You can see if there is a full lineup from this engine room and going to the deck. So now we move to the bridge of the tugboat, where we have all the control panels, and we can see this. We started the engine and all lineup was set up, and now this firefighting system has been started. You can see all the foam is coming out on the deck, where the seawater is coming out on the deck. So then we have this sprinkler system to sprinkle on our ship, because in case there is fire, there will be a lot of smoke, and we will not be able to see, or the fire can have damage to ourselves also. So we have this sprinkler system for protecting our boat or ship. So the sprinkler system also works together. We have to start a suction, and this sprinkler will work together with our FIFI foam monitor firefighting system. So this is the foam monitor, this red one you can see. And now this is our control, remote control for controlling the direction and this thing for the foam monitor, making it up and down, sideways movement. So you can see now this foam monitor is moving on the side and down. So this is our procedure. First, we prepare the, of course, we have to start the main engine as we saw. So we prepare the main engine for starting the system. Then we check the oil level in the mm, pump, make sure the power source from engine room and bridge control room are switched on. So we start the power. As we saw, there was a power panel. Then we confirm overboard, that is overboard of the line, and bypass valves are in open position so that there is no over pressurization of line. Then open suction and discharge valve manually and confirm that the status once confirmed. Then so the line we will all set up and start the main engine. First, we will run on ideal speed, and once all parameters are normal, we instruct the bridge to take the remote control for the main engine. Then we will check the remote operation of the applicator in either directions, port starboard, and switch on the applicator power source from local panel. Then we open the suction valve of FIFI pump and remotely green light will be indicating. Open the applicator valves from local station indicating red push buttons. Then clutch in the FIFI gear unit remotely by pressing clutch in switch. Then open the discharge valve of FIFI pump and remotely note discharge valve will take approximately 3 minutes to operate. So for discharge valve will take at least 3 minutes to operate. So main thing is start the main pump, set everything, give the control to the bridge, test the applicator, and then we clutch in the firefighting pump and open the discharge valve. So we'll get the water in the FIFI, this foam monitor. And like this tugs can fight the fire in case of fire on any ship or anywhere, platforms and all.